How to add profile photo onto it. Are guys facing issues to add profile photo onto each application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To add photo on a Twitch profile, first of all, open Twitch application on your mobile device. Once you open the app, now just be logging into your account with your username and password. As soon as you get logged in, now look at the right bottom of your screen where you can see this option for profile icon. Just simply tap in profile. After you click on profile, you can see this option for edit profile at the top right corner of the screen. Just simply tap on edit profile. After you click on edit profile, you can see this option for profile picture. Just simply tap on pencil icon. After you click on it, you can see two options over here, take photo and choose existing photo. Just simply tap on choose existing photo and select the photo from your gallery. And that's it guys, that's how you're going to upload profile picture on your Twitch profile. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.